mae'r llen yn codi ar dymor newydd o bêl-droed yn yr ail haen yma yng Nghymru ac ar bennod newydd cyffrous yng ngyrfa un o gyn-chwaraewyr mwyaf llwyddiannus holl hanes uwch Nghynghrair Cymru.
It's an exciting start to a new chapter. I'm feeling very apprehensive but also excited as well, so I can't wait now. It's coming around. I can't wait to get going with it. It's the management now of 22 to 25 players and staff, and you're not just concentrating on yourself, getting prepared for one individual game. It's a collective of games and a collective of people that you're trying to make sure that are all on the same page.
I think it's fair to say we always knew pretty much what to expect from Mike Wilde as a player. What do you think we can expect from Mike Wilde, the manager?
Well, I think like a player, I'm passionate, and hopefully a little bit of that comes out in my management style as well, especially in regards to the way that we want to play, you know, especially on the front foot. We want to make sure that we're entertaining as well. When we've got such a massive club like Colwyn Bae, we've got to make sure that we do it for the supporters and for the fans and give them something to really shout about.
Tell me what it is about this fixture that's special for you as well.
There are always special fixtures against Bangor, but this is probably a little bit more special. It was 23 years to the day almost that I played against them for TNS at Llanfraid, and I managed to score 2 goals as well. So let's hope for that type of success today to start off a managerial career as well.
I bet that's going into the team talk tonight, isn't it?
I might sneak it in if I can, yeah.
Fel cefnogwyr, da ni wrth yn bodde bod Mike Wilde yma, da ni'n lwcus iawn I gael o. Da ni yn gobeithio bydd o'n chwarae efo ni ambell waith, achos mae o di gael gymaint o gols dros y blynyddoedd, a dwi'n meddwl wnaeth gwneud gwahaniaeth mawr I Bae Colwyn.
Well, hopefully he can get the front players playing like he used to. They're defending okay as well, so good combination. Fingers crossed.
Mae gêm perffaith I gychwyn y tymor, 2 clwb massive, 2 set of fans amazing, so ffordd perffaith I ddechrau'r season yn ôl. Just gobeithio bod ni'n gallu just cael rhyw fath o result ten o dechrau'r tymor yn dda a wedyn bildio hynna.
Pawb yn barod amdani ar ffordd Llanelian felly, a gyda rheolwr Michael Johnson ar ei wyliau dramor Sean Eardley oedd yn cymryd yr ywena dros dro i'r ymwelwyr. Wel, joiad y wylio Jono, dan ni'n iawn fan hyn oedd y neges. Hanner ffordd drwy'r hanner cyntaf Bangor aeth ar y blaen, ergyd Tom Clark yn canfod Harry Galliotti a Codi'r McGonagall yn disgwyl ar y postyn agosaf I roi'r bêl I gefn y rhwyd. Roedd Bae Colwyn yn anlwcus I beidio taro nôl. Linfield a Creamer yn cyfuno yn y cwrt cyn I ymdrech Gwion Dafydd grafu'r postyn. Yna, o fewn dim, roedd Bangor wedi dyblu'r fantais. Ail gôl y noson I Codi'r McGonagall. I gig ryddoch ar y cwrt yn taro'r postyn pellaf. Diolch yn fawr iawn, meddwl McGonagall. A'r ffyddloniaid yn y dorf wrth I bodda. Aeth noson y Bae o ddrwg I waith tocyn yr egwyl wrth I Lewis Cyril gael I hel o'r maes yn dilyn tacl fler ar Dale Davies. Y tîm cartra lawr I 10 dyn felly, a chawod cynnar i'r amddiffynwr. Ac wedi paned hanner amser, aeth Bangor ar garlam unwaith eto. Harry Galliotti lawr y chwith yn canfod Tom Clark, Rhys Williams yn arbed ar y cynnig cyntaf, ond Clark y capten yn gywir gyda'i ail gynnig. Yna, gyda 10 munud o'r gêm yn weddill, rhoddodd yr ymwelwyr y gêm yn ei wely. Mason Blackwell-Jones, yr arwr y tro hyn, yn selio'r fuddugoliaeth mewn steil. Bangor wrth I bodda, 3 pwynt cynta'r tymor yn saff, ond noson i'w anghofio a gwersi i'w dysgu Bae Colwyn a'r rheolwr newydd, Mike Wilde.
Very disappointed in the result, and we need to have a little look at it, move forward. Still early stages. Obviously there's a lot to dissect and look over. We'll reflect on it as a group, individuals, and we'll move on and we'll make it right.
We wanted to enjoy the occasion. We knew it would be a good one. You know, Colwyn Bae, whether they're in the Cymru Prem last year or this year, the fans stick by them. So we wanted to embrace it, which we did, and our fans were absolutely brilliant as well. And we wanted to go into the game with no fear. I think that was the key. We didn't want the occasion to override us really in a way.
Dwi'n cael y tough test na Colwyn Bae away first game season os wyn ar crowd mowr. Oedden ni gwybod yna few hundred o Bangor a credit I nhw wedi dod yma hefyd. So yeah, big win. Curo 4-0 fydd ni'n bod dim hapusach na hynna.
2 sets of fantastic supporters. I'm lucky that I can send ours home happy tonight. I know Jono's going to be happy all the way to Mallorca, I think. So, yeah, two great sets of fans, and yeah, it promises to be an excellent league this year for sure.